A very good evening and namaskar. I am the presenter of Ekal Yatri has Sujoy and my name is Sujoy Sarkar. So friends, this is the building where I have taken the accommodation for 24 hours and it's in very cheap rate and it's good for me actually, and it is very near to the Chilka lake that you can see behind me. The view of Chilka town near the lake. These are the fishermen boats. Very beautiful view indeed. এটা কোনো ভাই মাছ ধরিবার ডঙ্গা, মাছ ধরিবা ପାଇଁ ডঙ্গা এটা ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଓ ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଇଏ କାଳିଜାଇ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ। ଓ these are not the fishermen boats, they are for the ferry to take the passenger to the Kalijai temple, which is 16 kilometers distance from here. Now let me move and take some refreshment. It's really fantastic and awesome to say that a mini India stays here. People from nook and corner of the country, they visit here, they are staying here also for their livelihood. Most of the people are the fishermen actually. After getting fresh, I am again moving towards the lake. They have stopped the ferry services for this evening hours. They have told at that very moment to me that they do not have any sufficient tourists. And tomorrow they asked me to come and book the ticket for the Kalijai temple. Two kinds of tickets are available. One is on government rate basis, which is cheaper one, but it is not available every day. One person, he told me, he is also a tourist. See, a beautiful view. let me have some snacks at this hour. I have skipped today's lunch because I didn't get any time. I reached here at 6 p.m. from Bhubaneswar, covering a distance of near about 104 kilometers solely on my Hercules Street Rider. And I have kept the Street Rider at my room right now, where I have taken the accommodation. এটা কোন ভাই?
এটা চনা মশলা হয়ে গেছে।
চনা মশলা কেতে?
10 টাকা।
10 ଟଙ୍କା? ଓହୋ ଗୋଟେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଅଧିକା ରାଗ ପକେଇବେନି ହଁ? ପିଆଜ ଆଉ କାକୁଡ଼ି ଟିକେ ଅଧିକା ପକେଇବେ ହଁ? I am taking one kind of snack which is very much famous in Odisha, and it is known as chana masala. It is made of chickpea actually, Saisa aritinum. In combination with onion, allium cepa, this green chili, capsicum annum. I should not mention the botanical name because most of the friends, they might not be knowing the botanical name. So with different kinds of spices. Yes, so lime is also added to it in order to enhance the taste of the chana masala. There is the sunset. Yes, that we can see. It is just behind me. ଗୋଟେ 10 ଟଙ୍କା ରେଡ଼ି କରିକି ରଖଥାନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ହଁ ହେଇଯାଇଛି କି ହେଇଛି ହେଇଛି he is preparing the chana masala. In the meantime, let me visit another place of this area. So I am just near the Bay of Bengal. Chilka Lake. It is the largest brackish water lake in the world. In fact, in India, but it is the largest brackish water lake in the world. So these are the ferries. They will ferry to Kalijai temple, which is 16 kilometers distance from here.
पानी के हाथ में रहेगा कहाँ तक जाएगा
Birds are here. In fact, in the winter season, the birds from the foreign countries, they visit here and they stay here during the entire winter season. Mostly the Trans-Siberian migratory birds, they used to visit the lake. And after the winter season, they move back to their respective places from where they have come. So I am very near to the lake. And I am unable to express my happiness. Really, that I am so happy. I'm feeling very wonderful at this place at this very moment. So dear friends, till my next video, I just end here with a beautiful Odia song composed by the awesome musician Akshay Mahanti. Mu paradesi chodei গাইবার স্বপ্ন নেই গাই যায় কাহা পাই জানে না জানে না জানে না Thanks a lot. Enjoy your evening. Bye.